5 miles.
You ran 5 miles?
Yeah, 7. You're not going to eat after I make you the dinner?
I'm making a video.
I'm eating now. Did you get the developing going on?
What?
Did you get the developing?
This is Lois.
You're saying Lois.
Okay, now I can hear you.
Huh?
Now I can hear you.
My verbina's drying. This is pesto. This is the last pesto from my garden.
Really?
Probably will freeze this year.
From which
Freeze
garden?
This week.
This is from
In
Town Square?
Yeah.
Wow.
It's going to be good.
I've just been with 100 lawyers and judges.
Oh my God, what were they doing?
I don't know.
Huh?
Oh, wow.
What?
Look at those rocks.
Oh, you haven't seen it before?
No, I have not. Where?
I always have like too many things here. Oh, nice. Let me see. A little salt. There's a little salt.
Do most people develop film while they're cooking?
I don't know. It's a little hard. I couldn't hear the buzzer.
You just ran 5 miles?
Yeah.
So you're feeling good.
No, I'm getting back into it since, I'm feeling I've recovered, but I
Isn't
don't
that
know whether I
fantastic?
can run the marathon.
That's great.
Huh? Do you think I can do it?
Yes, you could do it.
I don't know, I have to run I think this is the weekend I should run 20 miles. I can't run 20 miles.
This is good life here.
Okay, wait. Got the buzzer going now.
Wow. Quite the operation you have here, love. Quite the operation.
I know, you got negatives floating right next to the pasta. Right?
Have to be.
You can open the wine if you want. I'm going to go run out and get some pasta. Or you can just run out with it.
I'll run out with you.
Huh?
I'll run out with you.
What's that?
What?
You film in there? No. You can see my negatives.
So what are these negatives? What are you developing?
This is still from China. But I have been developing stuff that I just shot recently, but right this minute.